students to the homework video lesson 7.6, page 250, 251, 1 through 12. This entire assignment is word problems, and so let's be ready to work hard, please, and use your brains. And here we go, okay? All right. First problem says the selling price of a bicycle that had sold for 520 last year was increased by 15%. What is the new price? Okay, now let's go ahead and quickly let me change this over to shape recognition. There we go. Let's go ahead and draw a rectangle. And by the way, if you don't like drawing the rectangle and you don't want to, that's tough. Do it anyways. I'm kidding. I'm joking, guys. If you don't like drawing the rectangle, then don't worry about it, okay? That's up to you. I think it's a good thing to do, but that's your decision, okay? Alright, here we go. So, I told you guys in the notes that for every problem today, I'm going to have this sentence written down here for you. The original amount before the increase or decrease is always your 100%, okay? So, before the increase, this was the price right here, okay? So that's your 100%. So that was the old price. Then there was an increase, so we're not going to go this way. Alright, we're going to go this way. There we go. And we're going to tack on how much percent? 15, right? So now my percent here is 115%. And I'm looking for the price, so my price goes right here, question mark. Got it? Not too bad. So here we go. We've got it all set up now, ready to go. Here's my first ratio right here, 220 over. And be sure and put it over 1, move the decimal 2 places, okay? Here's my next ratio here. X over, be sure and put 1.15, okay? Move the decimal 2 places, and here we go. 220 times 1.15. We'll do that real quick over here. We get 3 zeros, and then 10, 3, 2, and then the same thing again. Go over 2 decimal places, and when you multiply these two together right here, you get 253. When you multiply 1 times x, you get x, and it looks like we're finished, okay? So the answer is $253. That would go right here. And let's make sure that's what we were looking for. It says, well, what is the new price? And yes, that is the new price. And that is the correct answer. Okay, number 2. Okay, the weight of a granola bar was decreased by 20%. Okay, what is the new weight if the original weight was this much here? Okay, now remember, the original amount before the increase or decrease is your 100%. Okay, keep that in mind. Let's see if we can copy this real quick here. And so here we go. The weight of the granola bar was decreased by 20%, but the original weight before the decrease was 4.5 ounces. So students, that will be your 100%. Now, it was decreased by how much? 20%. So we're going to go this way, and we'll just kind of estimate to about right here. So we went back 20%. So my percentage here would be what? 80. And is this not what we're looking for here? What is the new weight after the decrease? So that's my question mark. Okay? So here's my first ratio right here. X over, be sure and put 0.80. And by the way, if you want to put 0.8, in fact, I'm going to go ahead and put 0.8, guys. Listen, 0.80 is totally fine. Okay, that's totally fine. But you know that 0.8, I don't care if there's a million zeros, 0.80000 is the same thing as just 0.8. And same thing here, I'm going to use 0.8, okay? Equals, here's your next ratio here, so 4.5 over 1. Okay, so here we go, multiply here. 1 times x is x. Multiply here, and we get 4.5 times 0.8, 40, carry your 4, 36. Now here there's 1 decimal place. Here, 1 plus 1 is 2, so we go over 2 places right here. And 3.60 is the same thing as 3.6. Now, Is that what we're looking for? Well, yes, it is. What is the new original weight? So your answer would be sure and label your answers, guys. We're looking at word problems here. 3.6 ounces. Okay, so it started here. That's how much it weighed, and it decreased down to this. Okay, all right, moving on. Number 3. Um, the membership in the Fair Oaks Chess Club increased from 256 to 288. What is the percent of increase? Now remember the original before the increase or decrease is your 100%. So it increased from this to this. So before the increase, that was my original membership. So that's my 100%. Okay, it increased. So we're going to go to the right. And it increased up to how many people? 288. So there's my question mark right there. Okay, so here's my first ratio right there. So oh, I got that backwards, didn't I, guys? You know what? I don't want to confuse you guys in any way. Let's keep this very, very consistent all along throughout your notes and other problems. I've always put your percent down here, and I want to keep doing that, okay? There we go. So up here is 256, and here is 288, okay? So here's my first ratio here. 256 over 1 equals, here's my second ratio over here, 288 over x. Okay, so let's multiply these two together here, and we get 256x. Multiply these two together here, we get 288. There we go. Divide both sides by 256. These cancel, and x equals this. Let's reduce this real quick. Let's see. 2 would go into this 144 over 128. 2 would go into it again. 72 over 64. Then 36 over 32. Then 18 over 16. And then 9 over 8. So, it looks like 8, 3, 32. It looks like 32 goes into both of these numbers. Okay, now what I did, guys, is I just reduced by 2 over and over and over. Okay, and I got 9/8. Now I hope that's right. Okay, but you could also reduce by 32. I think it's 32. Let me check and see. 9 goes into this. 3, yeah, 32. So 32 goes into both these numbers. Okay, and so if we reduce by 32, we're going to get 9/8. Now, normally you'd be done, but they want to know the percent, so we've got to change this fraction to a percent. Remember how to do that, guys? Okay, so let's take this fraction right here. Let's convert it to a percent. We do that by multiplying by 100. 4 goes into both these numbers. 4 goes into 8 twice. 4 goes into 125. 25. 9 times 25 would be 45. Carry your forward. 225 over 2. Okay? And then 2 would go into 225. And I think I haven't made a mistake somewhere. Let's see if I did. It would go into it. 1, 1, 2. Yeah, I made a mistake somewhere. Let's pause this. And good news, guys, I have not made a mistake at all. Everything's good, so let's continue on. I did not make a mistake, so this would be answer. But guys, I really don't like improper fractions when it comes to percentages, so I'm going to make it a mixed number real quick here. 2 goes into 2 once. 2 goes into 2 once. 2 goes into 5 twice, with a remainder of 1 1/2. Okay, so this percentage right here, guys, this percentage right here becomes 112.5%. Now that is not your answer. It wants to know what is the percent of increase. In other words, how much has it increased from here to here? Well, guys, you can figure this out. If you go from 100 to 112 and a half, that means you added 12.5%, right? I mean, what's 100 plus 12 and a half? Well, it's 100, 12 and a half. So the actual percent of increase is 12 and a half or 12.5, same thing. Okay? All right, number 4. Okay, here we go. So, orders for milling machines for the Precision Machine Company dropped from 150 to 123. What is the percent of decrease? Okay, so the original amount is your 100% before the increase or decrease. So before there was a decrease, the original amount was 150. Okay, so that's my 100% is 150, and then it decreased to 123. So we'll go this way, and we'll just say again, it doesn't matter if I put the 123 in the correct place. I can put the 123 down here if I want to. It's not a big deal. I'll just slide over a little bit, put 123 here, and then of course put my question mark here. Okay, so here's my first ratio right here, 123 over x. My next ratio is right here, which would be 150 over 1. And here we go. 123 times 1 is 123. 150 times x is 150x. Let's divide both sides by 150. And we get 123 over 150. Right? Now we can reduce. I know 3 goes into both these numbers. I know 3 goes into 123 41 times. And I know 3 goes into this 50 times. That'll make it a little easier for us. There we go. And I think that's as low as I can reduce it. So I reduce this by 3. Now you don't have to reduce it if you don't want to, but it does make the conversion over to a percent easier because you're going to be using smaller numbers. That's up to you. If you want to use 123 over 150, that's totally fine. That's up to you. Okay? Alright, so I'm going to use this. So that would be your answer, except we're looking for a percent. So we have to take this fraction and convert it to a percent. We do that by multiplying by 150 goes into 50 once. 50 goes into 100 twice. 41 times 2 is 82. 1 times 1 is 1. 82 over 1 is 82. And don't forget your percent sign. So now right here, I'm going to put 82%. Now guys, that's not your answer. Yes, it's true that 120. Listen carefully. Listen carefully. Yes, it's true. 123 is 123 is 82%. My pen's not working, guys. Sorry. Of 150. That's true. It is. Think about it, guys. Here's your whole. Your whole is 100%, and 123 is 82%. So yes, it's true that 123 is 82% of 150, but that's not what it's asking for. It's asking for how much you decreased. So if you went from 100 to 82, then you decreased 18%, right? 100 minus 82 is 18. Okay, that is your answer. All right, number 5. Okay, so the fuel company in the new Desert Rat 200 compact wagon is advertised to be a 24% increase over the old model. That's your fuel, your miles per gallon. If the new model gets 31 miles per gallon, what is the fuel economy of the old model? Okay, so here we go. Again, your original amount is your 100% before the increase or decrease. So here we go. So the fuel economy in the new Desert Rat is advertised as an increase. So from the old to the new, the fuel economy has increased. And then it tells you the new model. The new model is 31 miles per gallon. So guys, this is not your 100%. This is after the increase. Okay, you have an increasing fuel economy. So this is not your 100%. This is your 100% right here. So my 100% is my old fuel economy. I have no idea what that is. And then my new one is a 24% increase. So I come up, I increase. So if I increase 24%, then right here I'm going to write 124%. And up here I'm going to put what is the fuel economy? 31. Do you see how I did that, guys? Look, you have to decide what the original number was, and the original number is always going to be your 100%, okay? So here's your first ratio here, x over 1. Here's your next ratio right here, 31 over 1.24, and here we go. X times 124 is 1.24x, and 1 times 31 is 31. Let's divide both sides by 124, 1.24. Over here cancels, leaving us with x. So now we've got to do some division. So here we go. We have 1.24 going into 31. Let's move this decimal right here 2 places, 1, 2, so it's gone. Let's move this decimal here 2 places. We're going to have to add 2 zeros, and we are all set. 124 goes into 310 2 times. You get 248. Subtract, you get 62. Bring down your 0. 124 goes into 625 times. Let's see if that's right. 22. Yep, 620 comes out right. And so there's your answer. So that goes right here, and that means that goes right here. So the new vehicle got 31 miles per gallon, and the older one got 25 miles per gallon. So that's how you would write your answer, 25 miles per gallon. Okay? All right, number 6. Okay, after a 16% increase, the price of a pair of running shoes was $40.60. All right, what was the old price? Okay, now guys, remember the original price before the increase is your 100%. So after the increase, this was your price. So that's not your original price. We're missing the original price. So 100% goes here, and I'm missing the original price. Now, after the increase, my new price was $40.60, so $40.60 goes here, and it went up 16%, so I'm going to put 116%. Okay, so here's my first ratio here, x over 1. Here's my next ratio here, 40.6 over 1.16. Cross multiply 1.16 times x is 1.16x. 1 times 40.60 is 40.60. Let's divide both sides by 1.16. These cancel, and x equals, okay, we've got some division to do here, so let's do that division, and let's see what we come up with. So 1.16 goes into 40.60, and of course we got to move this decimal 2 places to get rid of it. But if we move that one 2 places, we got to move this one 2 places. So it's going to be right here now. So we'll pull that up here, and here we go. So 160 goes into 406 3 times. That'll be 348. Subtract, and we get 50. Let's see, 58, I believe. Bring down your 0. 160 goes into 585 times. That would give you 580. And there we go. So this is the answer. This goes right here, and that goes right here. And of course, we're dealing with money, and that's the answer because this says what is the price of the old shoes, the old price of the shoes. So your answer is $35. Okay, that was the original price before the increase. All right, number 7. The calorie count of a container of Seaside Cottage cheese was reduced by 8% to 414 calories. What is the old calorie count? So here we go. Remember the original amount is before the that's your 100%. So, it was reduced by 8% to 414. In other words, this is not the original amount. It was reduced by 8%, and we came up with this. Okay, so what's the old calorie count? So my 100% goes here, and my question mark goes here, and it was reduced by 8%. And so I go this way, and if I went down 8%, then this would be what? 92%. And my new calorie count is 414, guys. So here we go. Here's my first ratio right here. 414 over 0.92 equals x over 1. 414 times 1 is 414. 0.92 times x is 0.92x. Let's divide both sides by 0.92. These cancel, leaving you with x. And then, guys, over here we have a nice division problem. We have 0.92 being divided into 414. Take this decimal here, move it 2 places. So then we have to take this decimal here, move it 2 places. So we'll add a couple zeros. And there we go. So 92 goes into 414 4 times. That's 368. Gives you 46. Bring down this 0. We'll put a 5 here. 92 goes into 465 times. And it does come out even. Bring down your next 0 right here. And put a 0, 0, 0. This 0 went here. This 0 went here. And we're finished. Comes out even. So 450 goes here. So if it goes here, then it also goes right here. And yes, that's the answer I'm looking for. The old calorie count was 450. It was decreased by 8% to 414. So your answer is 450. It's a 0 calories. All right. Number 8. All right. The number of seats in the new Aquarius 525 airliner is a 36% increase over the old model. Now, the new plane seats 374 passengers. How many passengers did the old model seat? Okay, so here we go. Slide this over since we're dealing with an increase. Give me a little more room to work with. And here we go. So, guys, let's see the original amount before the increase is your 100%. So let's see. The number of seats on the new airplane is 36% increase. Here's a new plane. So that is not your 100%. So we don't know what the 100% is. So we're going to length that a question mark. Okay. And then we're going to go to the right. It's an increase. So we'll go this way. It's an increase of 36%. So I'm going to put 136%. And the new plane holds 374 passengers. Okay. So here's my first ratio here. That would be x over 1 equals, here's my next ratio here, 374 over 1.36. Cross multiply 1.36 times x is 1.36x. 1 times 374 is 374. Divide by 1.36. These cancel, leaving you with x. And here we go. I have 1.36 dividing into 374. Of course, we're going to move this decimal here 2 places, so it's gone. And we're going to move this decimal here 2 places. So we're going to add a couple zeros like that. And 136 goes into 374 twice as 272. Subtract, you get 102. Bring down a 0 here. 136 goes into 1,027 times. That's 42. Carry 4, 25. Carry your 2, 952. That would give you 68, I believe. Bring down your 0, and this goes in to 685 times. Let's see, 30. Carry your 3, 8. If that's right, 680. There we go. So x equals 275 So that means 275 goes right here. Now, is that what we're looking for? Let's see. It says how many passengers did the old model seat? So yes, the new airplane, after a 36% increase, seats this many passengers. The old one seats this many. So your answer would be 275 passengers. All right, number 9. Okay, so last year the population in Spoon Forest grew from this to this. If the population of the town grows by the same percent this year, what will the population be? So, here we go. Guys, it seems to me this is going to be a two-step problem. Okay, let me show you what I mean. So here's last year. Population was this. Okay, so if that was last year, then this year the population is 1,300. Got it? So, if the population grows by the same percent, what will the population be the next year? That's what we're looking for. Got it? Now I'm going to slide that down here so we have to keep that in mind, okay? It's coming from a little chart, okay? So last year's population, this year's population. Now it says, listen guys, listen, if the population grows by the same percent, what will this new population be? So it makes sense. I can't find this until I know what the percent of increase is. When am I going to find that percent of increase? Well, it says if it grows by the same percent. So if I can find this percent here, then it's going to be the same percent I use here because it says the percents are the same if the population of the town grows by the same percent this year. So it's a two-step problem. First, I got to find this percentage of increase here. So I'm looking for, are you ready? I'm looking for the percent of increase from here to here. So no big deal, right? We know how to do this. This is my original amount. It goes here. There we go. This is my 100%. Okay. This is my new amount. I don't know what the percent is. That's my quote. I did that backwards again, didn't I, guys? Good old Mr. Earhart. Old and senile. All right. So there we go. There we go. And there's my increase. So I'm looking for this right here. That's my question mark, all right? And the new population is 1,300. Okay, so I have one ratio here, 1250 over 1 equals 1,300 over x. Okay, cross multiply, I get 1250x equals 13 times 1, 1,300. Now, let's divide by 1250. I know I'm getting a little sloppy, but you guys can pause the video and go slower if you need to. Now, guys, let's reduce this. First of all, I can reduce by 10, knock a 0 off each, so I'm left with 130 over 125. Now, off the top of my head, I know 5 goes into both of these, so 5 would go into this 26 times, and 5 would go into this 25 times, I believe. Yeah, so there we go. So this reduced all the way down to this by using 50. Okay, so 50 went into both of these numbers. Okay, and I got this. So remember, I'm looking for what, guys? Look, I'm looking for a what? A percent. So this fraction's not going to help me. I've got to take that fraction, multiply it by 100, and of course 25 goes into 25 and 100. 26 times 4 is 24. Carry your 2, 100. Okay, and 1 times 1 is 1, so I get 104%. So this percentage right here is 104. So the percent of increase, I went from 100 to 4, 100 to 104. So my percent of increase is 4%. So there I found it. So the population increased from here to here. It increased how much? 4%. Got it? Now, that's not what they're asking. Now they're asking us to find the population. So it says the population grows by the same percent. So my percent of increase is going to be what here? 4%. Let's get rid of this. We don't need it. And now here's my new problem. Do you see it? This is now my old original amount, 1300, and it's going to increase 4% to this. So now my original amount before the increase is 1300. So there's my 100%. There's my 30. You have to work this out, guys, like it's two different problems, okay? We have an increase of 4%, so I'm going to put 104%, and I'm trying to find that new population. There it is. So here's my first ratio. 1300 over 1 equals x over 1.04. 1300 times 1.04. Let's work that out real quick here. 1300, 1.04. I would get 0.0052. And then I would get 4 zeros. And then I would get 1300. There we go. So 0.0052, 13, go over 2 places. There you go. So 1300 times 1.04 is 1352. So when I multiply these two numbers here, I get 1352. When I multiply 1 times x, I get x. So my x right here is 1352. And yes, that's what I'm looking for. What will the population be? So if I increased it 4%, I get this right here. So the population is 1352. Nice two-step problem, okay? All right, number 10. And here we go. This year, the Village Realty sold 289 homes. Last year, the Realty sold 340 homes. If sales decreased by the same percent next year, how many homes can Village Realty expect to sell? So, again, let's get a picture of this. Here we go. Let's be very careful, guys. Let's be very careful. This year, I'm going to put TY for this year, okay? This year, they sold 289 homes. Got it? Last year, they sold 340 homes. Got it? If the sales decrease by the same percent, how many can they expect to sell next year? That's your question mark. So again, it's going to be a two-step problem. Okay? Now, so here's my schematic, if you will. Here's my diagram I'm going to go by. This is really good thinking. I'm not saying that I'll give you one of these on your quiz for sure in the future or test, but it would be a good problem. It would be totally fair if I did because you guys can do this, okay? So here we go. Last year, sorry, not last year. It says if the sales decrease by the what? Same percent. How many homes will they sell here? So it seems to me, guys, look, if I can find the percent of what? Decrease from here to here, and if they decrease by the same percent, if I can find this percent, then that's going to be the same percent I use here to find this here. Does that make sense? So the first thing I have to do is I have to find the percent of decrease here. So before the decrease, what was my original amount? 340. So 340 homes were sold. That's your 100%. Now, I went backwards to 289, and that percentage is what I'm looking for. So there's my first ratio, 289 over x equals, here's my next ratio here, 340 over 1, cross multiply, 289 times 1 is 289, 340 times x is 340x. Let's divide both sides by 340. And these cancel, and I'm left with this right here. Okay? Now, I'm not sure if that reduces or not. I'm going to come over here and just do it the long way. So 289 over 340. How do I convert that to a percentage? I multiply it by 110. We'll go into both of these numbers, and then again, 2 will also. So there we go. So basically I could have reduced both numbers. 20 goes into both of these numbers. 20 goes into this 17 times, and 20 goes into this 5 times, okay? would be too much. So 856, carry your 5, 136. That would be 85. 17 goes into 85. 5 times exactly, actually. So there we go. So I get 85%. So students, when I took this fraction here, right here, and converted it to a percent, I got 85%. So this percent here is 85. So what was the percent of decrease from 100% to 85%? I decreased how much? 15%. So my percent of increase is 15%. So I'm going to use that same amount right over here, 15% decrease. So now let's finish the problem, okay? Now, here's my new problem. This is this year. It decreases by this amount. Find next year. So now my original amount changes. My original amount is 289. That's this year. I'm going to decrease 15%. So I'm going to decrease down to 85%. And I'm going to find that new amount right here. Okay, so my first ratio is x over 0.85. And my next ratio is 289 over 1. Cross multiply 1 times x is x. 289 times 0.85 would be 45, carry 4, 44, 14, 72, carry your 7, 64, 71, carry your 7, 23. So we get 2, 4, 5, 6, 5. Go over 2 places. So the answer is approximately. Well, it's not approximately, it's exactly this amount, but you really can't set. Well, I'll show you in a second what I'm going to do here. Well, I should have done that. It's going to make a mess. Anyways, we'll just put it right here. 245.65. So there's your answer. 245.65. Now, guys, they round it up, and I get that because you really can't sell 0.65 of a house, okay, unless you cut the house in half or something. So they round it up, and they said we're going to sell 246 homes. Okay, so if you're running a business, this is not a good trend, okay, because your business is getting worse. You sold this many, the next year this many, and now this many, so you got to figure out what's wrong with your business and then fix it, okay? But anyways, this is your X right here, so it goes right here, and that's how many homes, if the sales decrease by the same percent, and how many homes would you sell? Well, you would expect to sell 246, okay? All right, number 11. Okay, we have contributions to the annual Grayson School Fund. They were 10% greater in 84 than they were in 83. And in 83, they were 50% greater than they were in 82. If contributions for 1984 were this much, what was the total in 82? Men, women, we need to draw this up. Okay, that's right. We need to get us a schematic here, okay? So, the fundraising campaign was 10% greater in 94 than in 83. So from 1983 to 1984, we had a 10% increase. Does everybody see that? Make sure you see that. It says contributions to the fundraising campaign were 10% greater in 84 than they were in 83. So a 10% increase, okay? In 1983, the contributions were 15% greater than they were in 82. So now we're over about 82. Here's 1982. And we had a 15% increase, right? That's what it says right here. In 1983, the contributions were 15% greater than in 82. So from here to here, we had a 15% increase. From here to here, a 10% increase. Got it? Now, what else do they tell us? If contributions for 84 were how much? 88.55. What was the total in 82? So that's my final goal right here. Okay, now guys, do not try to get fancy and add percentages. That will not work. Just stop and take a step-by-step here, which I can, then I will know how much money was contributed here. Okay, so I can find this amount here. Now, once I find this amount here, then I can take this part of the problem here, and I know, pretend you have a number right here, like, I don't know, 8,000. I can find this missing number here. So it's a two-step problem. We're going to take our time and solve this slowly, okay? So let's take what we know. What we know is we had this much contributed, 84. There was a 10% increase. And so let's find this amount here right now real quick, okay? Let's find this amount right here. So be careful, men, women. It says there was a 10% increase. Some of you are going to think this is your original amount. Hold on. Don't forget this sentence. The original amount is always before the increase. So we had a 10% increase. We're looking at this part of the setup right here, okay? The original amount is before the increase or before the decrease. Now in this case it was an increase. Okay, so sorry about that. So I went from here and I increased to this. So before the increase, this missing number is my original amount. Okay, so that's my original amount. So my original amount is going to be 100%, and I don't know what that is. And I increased 10%, so 110%, and when I increased, I came up with 88.55 right here. Okay, so here we go. Here's my first ratio here. X over 1 equals 88.55 over 1.1. X times 1.1 is 1.1x, and 1 times 88.55 is 88.55. Let's divide both sides by 1.1. Cancels. X equals, alright, let's divide 1.1 into 88.55. We're going to move this decimal here one place, so it's gone. Move this decimal here one place, so we add a 0, and 11 goes to 88 8 times. 0, bring down to 5, that would be a 0, 0. Bring down your next 5, 11 goes to 55 5 times. 11 times 5 is 55, that's a 0. Bring down your 0, and you get a 0. Okay, so x equals 80.50. Exactly. So that goes right here. And so you did it. You found the previous amount, which goes right here. So now you know, guys, in 1983 they raised how much money? $8,050. It was increased 10% to this amount here. And now that I've done all that work, now I can finish the problem very quickly here, hopefully, and get this done. In fact, to be honest with you, I don't even need this part of the problem now at all. I don't care about that. All I care about is this right here. That's what I'm looking for right here. That's my question mark. So, again, your 100% is your original amount before the increase. So, I started here. I increased this. This is my original amount right here. So, my original amount is what I'm looking for. And I'm going to increase 15%. So, 115%. And this is my amount here. 80.50. So here we go. First ratio is x over 1. My other ratio would be 80.50 over 1.15. X times 1.15, 1.15x. 1 times 80.50, 80.50. Divide both sides by 1.15. And here those cancel, leaving me with, and let's work it out over on the other page. 80.50 divided by 1.15. We're going to take this decimal here. We're going to move it 2 places so it's gone. So we move this decimal here 2 places. So we add two zeros. And I copied that right one. Yes, I did. Making sure. So here we go. 115 goes to 805 7 times 35. Carry your 3. 0, carry 1. 805. You get a 0. So bring down your 0. It's a 0, 0, 0. Bring down your 0. Goes in 0 times 0. Bring down your 0. Put a 0, 0. And we are finished. Okay? So 150 goes to 8,050, 7,000 exactly. So x equals 7,000, which goes right here. And that's what we're looking for. We're looking for how much money did they raise at 82? Well, they raised $7,000. Okay? Great problems, guys. Really good for your brain, okay? All right, last one, and we're finally finished, okay? So here we go. In July, the price of a gallon of gasoline was 12%. In August, it fell 15% to its final July price, ending the month at $1.19. What was the price at the beginning of July? This is going to be confusing if we don't draw things up. Okay, here we go. In July, the price of a gallon of gasoline rose 12%. Okay, in August, it fell 15% of its final July price. Okay, ending the month at $1.19. What was the price at the beginning of July? So here's what we have. This is tough. Beginning of July. Got it. Now, I know what to put. I'm not confused. I'm just trying to think how to explain this to you. So we had a price at the beginning of July, and then we had a price at the beginning of August. Now, here's where it gets a little confusing, but it says this. In August, it fell 15%. Listen, ending the month at $1.19. So if you're at the end of the month of August, I'm just going to go ahead and say that's the beginning of what? September, right? Think about it. June, July, August, September. Okay? So we have a price at the beginning of July, a price at the beginning of August, then it says the ending of August was $1.19. Well, the ending of August is the same thing as the beginning of September. I'm just going to call it that, and that's what I'm going to put. Okay, same thing. If you want to make all of these endings, you can. I'm just going to do this. Okay, so let's see what we know. In July, the price of gasoline at Quicksilver service station rose 12%. Okay, so from here in July, that means during July, from the beginning of July to the end of July, the beginning of August, it rose 12% increase. In August, it fell. So from August going into September, it fell 15%. So that's a decrease. Okay. What else do we know? It ended the month at $1.19. So at the end of August, or in other words, at the beginning of September, the price was $1.19. Okay. What was the price at the beginning of July? Way over here. So we're looking for this right here. That's our final goal. Okay, got it? Well, guys, look, do what we've done before. Forget this for a second. Just forget about that. Let's work this out first, and let's find the amount at the beginning of August. Then after we've done that, we can then forget this, and then we'll have a number here, whatever that number is, I don't know, and then we can find this here. Okay, so again, it's a two-step problem. Okay, a good thinking problem for you mathematical studs. And so let's see if we can't slide this up, slide this down, and here we go. Let's work with this right here first. Got it? Okay, so your 100% is your original amount before the decrease. So I started here. I'm going to look for this first right here. I'm going to try to find this right here, okay? So right now, let's forget about this over here. That's our ending goal. We're going to worry about that later, okay? Right now, we're looking for this right here. Let's does my question work? That was my original amount. I had to decrease. So from here to here, I decreased. So my original amount was right here. So my original amount is what I don't know. And it decreased 15%. So I went down 15% to 85%. And that amount was $1.19. So my first ratio is 1.19 over 0.85, and my next ratio is x over 119 times 1, 1.19, 0.85 times x is 0.85x. Let's divide both sides by 0.85. Over here they cancel, and now I have 119 divided by 0.85. So 1.19 divided by 0.85. Let's take this decimal here, move it 2 places so it's gone. Take this decimal here, move it 2 places so it's right there. And then I'll add some zeros in case I need those later. Bring this up, and here we go. 85 goes into 119 ones. That gives me at least 34. Bring down your 0. Let's see. 3, 4 would be too much. So 3 would be 5. Carry your 1. 255. Subtract. Actually, I'm wrong. 4. It comes out. I'm wrong. It goes in exactly 4 times. Sorry about that. 85 times 4 is 340. 0. And so we're done. So you get 1.4. Okay? Now watch this. 1.4. So right here's x. 1.4. But hold it, guys. We are dealing with money, right? So right here, I want to put 1.4. But guys, let's think about this. I mean, you don't put 1.4 for a price, right? I mean, that's just, you can if you want to, but 1.4 is the same thing as $1.40. Just add a 0, okay? So there's the price. So it was here. It decreased 15% and it went down to this. Now I'm really set up very nicely. Now I don't need this anymore. And now I can easily find this right here. This is my original amount. I started here and I increased 12%. So this is my starting amount. I increased 12%. So my 100% is what I don't know. I increased 12%, so 112, and that amount is $1.40. So here we go. My first ratio is x over 1. My next ratio is $1.40 over 1.12. X times 1.12. 1 times 1.40. Divide by 1.2. These cancel, and x equals, so I have 140 divided by 112. Move this decimal 2 places. Also move this decimal 2 places. And put that here. And here we go. 112 goes into this once. 112, subtract, and you get 28. So add a 0, bring down a 0. This would go in 2 times. That's 224. That would leave you with 56. Bring down another 0. And that would leave you with 5, actually. 5 times 112 is 560 exactly. So we get 1.25, which goes right here. And that's good. That's your answer. So the original beginning price way back at the beginning of July was $1.25. Guys, look, I know these problems can be challenging, but we can really knock these out and do well on these if you'll practice and work hard, okay? I hope this homework help video was a help to you guys. If you have any questions at all, don't hesitate to